PT Sun Indo Adi Persada is one of the foremost doll manufacturers in Indonesia. It was established in 1991 and has grown rapidly since then. Supported by a professional management system, PT Sun Indo Adi Persada is optimistic to be one of the world-class doll manufacturers. Our factory is equipped with 600 sewing machines and other supporting machines, such as cutting machines and stuffing machines, which are specially designed to support the quality of the product. Through the large amount of the machines we have, we can reach a product capacity of 300,000 dozen and design 1,200 varieties of dolls every year. To realize our company's vision to be one of the leading toy companies, known for its best products and services, we undergo a continuous improvement of creativity and services, with our noble mission, this to make a better life through love, passion and care. The products. Generally, we have three main products. The first one is character dolls. These dolls are made based on cartoon characters. The second one, we call them fancy or fantasy dolls, a distinct or unique doll. One of the products from this category is an elephant doll wearing clothes. Our third product is naturalistic dolls. They are dolls made by imitating real or natural figures of animals, like a tiger, a monkey, a snake, etc. We create our dolls with a lovable character, so they can be used as learning tools for children to love and care for animals. The production. We implement 100% tight quality control in each production process and also product safety. The safety regulation of our product is made based on the standard safety rules and regulations required in export countries such as America, Canada, Japan, and Europe. We also certify all materials used for our products with EN 71, which is authorized in Europe, and ASTM in USA. The production process begins in the designer's room, where our skilled designers start to develop products, which have unique characteristics with incredible detail. As finished, the final designs will be distributed to other departments and processed until they are finished dolls. Cutting department. The workers cut all materials in preparation to be parts of the dolls using pressing machine, hand cut and laser. For this process, all workers are equipped with safety devices such as mask and metal gloves. Sewing department. In this department, all parts will be sewed neatly. In order to produce a strong and high-quality product, after being sewed, each product will have to undergo some testing processes, such as elasticity test and durability test. Every part or material of the product is required to meet stringent safety regulations standardized by the company. All chemical substances contained in the product are certified by EN 71 and ASTM. Eye and nose department. Inserting eyes and nose to other sewed parts of the dolls needs skilled workers and a careful process. Likewise, the components for materials for eye and nose have to pass certain quality control process. Moreover, materials used for eyes and nose are more solid than other materials used and made of safe and certified plastic materials. Stuffing. A process of stuffing the dolls with synthetic cotton. Finishing and spray departments. Besides stuffing the dolls to be solid in appearance, labeling and giving any warning tag required, and other accessories attached in the finished product are also examined in this department and added with a detailed expression by giving a spray effect. This detailed process will surely produce cute character and functional dolls. Final QC and packing department. When the finished products are in the packing process, the staff in the packing department proceeds with another quality control process like product balancing, final product inspection, and metal detector test to ensure that there won't be any metal substances like needles or any other unused metal substances contained in the doll's body. The tests included are drop test, bleach fabric test, and saliva test. After those tests, the final products are ready to be distributed. The employee. Our human resources are our most important assets. As a result, we do not only focus on the quality of our product, but also the employees' qualities, which are periodically developed for the company's progress and the customer's satisfaction. Monthly evaluation for all applied values implemented for the company's quality regulation. Training Leader Program. Training for leaders' character building for all employees. Scholarship Program. Given especially to the employees' children who have achieved best academic performance at schools. Moreover, we frequently go on an outbound activity, an outdoor fellowship program to strengthen the relationship among employees. Furthermore, every Saturday we hold a tidiness competition for every division and also some regular sports activities. Corporate Social Responsibility. PT Sun Indo Adi Prasada opens up job opportunities to locals, especially women who live around the factory. The company allows them to work at home in material preparation. In order to help them improve their working quality, people at the age of 18 and above are given free sewing courses. Some of the social activities are donating Sembako, 9 basic necessities for daily life, raising funds to build mosques, together with the local community planting trees to preserve an harmonious environment, holding a blood donor program, and many other social activities. Additionally, our company opens up a wide opportunity to any academic institutions to have a visit or a tour to our factory and company. In here, they will learn and comprehend our doll making process and also our educative products. The client. PT Sun Indo Adi Prasada periodically reviews the customer satisfaction for marketed products through the pointed resources, the distributors, shop owners, and buyers. So far, our company has cooperated with many clients, both locally and overseas. Famous doll brands from many countries have entrusted us to produce their dolls. 80% of our products are exported to Europe, Japan, and USA, and 20% of them are distributed locally to many toy stores located in main cities in Indonesia.
Sun Indo itself, they offer top-of-the-line quality and designers. Their designers are the best I've ever worked with. Their customer service, regardless of who we have worked with in the past, has been fantastic.
We believe that our high-quality dolls can be one of the tools to help parents in developing their children's intelligence. Give the best to your loved ones as we give our trust to the products of PT Sun Indo Adi Prasada.